Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do another family recipe, and it's a blueberry salad. I'd like to tell you this. I've had several women lately that's asked me about the recipe, and I told them it is listed on YouTube with the video. So you can check that out, and we always list a recipe with what we're doing. I hope you don't have any trouble with that. The first part of this recipe, we have to fix it and put it in the refrigerator and let it gel a little, and then we come back and put the top on it and have to put it in the refrigerator again. And the recipe, I do these so many times, and a lot of times, a long time till I do it and I forget. But you can leave it overnight. Like if you're having a party the next day, it's a great recipe to do the day before. I'm fixing to have a lot of my family in for Easter dinner, and that's what I'm going to do with a lot of my recipes, because I'm too old to get up and do it in one day like I used to. We have to have 2 cups of water boiling, and I've already got that on the stove and it's boiling. And any of it cooks very much, you know that you always have to have hot water to put your Jell-O in. Could not find any grape the other day, and I'm using the blueberry. I don't think it's going to make any difference. We just poured in our blueberry Jell-O in 2 cups of boiling water, and it is a 6-ounce package. That's a larger package of Jell-O. So we put that in there and let it dissolve. We're going to drain these pineapple. It's a 15.5-ounce can. I always save that juice and drink it. It's real good. I like pineapple anyway. We want that to drain pretty good. We're going to mix that in with the blueberry Jell-O. We're going to add a blueberry pie filling. And this is a 21-ounce can. Okay, what we're going to do is just mix this up real good. Be sure that Jell-O is mixed in good. I can feel a little bit of solids at the bottom of this pan. I need to stir it till all that is mixed up together. This is a simple recipe. It's just a little bit time consuming for having to wait on the gel 2 different times. Okay, we're going to get our casserole pan. We're going to pour this over in a 9 by 13 casserole. We're going to put this in the refrigerator, and I really don't know how long, because we're going to put it in until it gels some. You don't have to be a hard gel, but it needs to be enough where we can put the second layer on the top of it, which is cream cheese and all this stuff we mix together. So I'm putting this in the refrigerator. Our blueberry salad is gel now. This is a half of it. So we're going to put the remaining ingredients and put it on top of it. We're putting 8 ounces of cream cheese. I use a Philadelphia cream cheese. You can use any brand you want to, I guess. There's 1 cup of sour cream. I love that cream cheese. And then you're using 1/2 cup of sugar. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. We're going to mix this up. It's optional if you want to put pecans on top of it. I think I will. And then you put it in the refrigerator and leave it overnight. Or you could, if you want it done quicker than that, you can kind of watch it and see how it's gelled up. This has some lumps in it, and I'm going to go ahead and use a mixer with it. I don't like lumps in it. It could be the butter got cold or... Yeah, that's looking a lot better. That's the way I'd like for it to look. That's the way you want it to look. Now we're going to pour this over the top of this blueberry salad. You know, I really like gelatin desserts like this, salads, and some of them can be desserts. This is called a salad. We're just going to spread this over this real good. I've got some chopped up pecans. I'm going to put a few on top of it. I like pecans on a lot of things. Okay, we're going to cover this in foil and we're going to refrigerate it. You just have to refrigerate this until it gels, gets cold on top. Our blueberry salad is finished. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you do try it, and I hope you enjoy it. I think you will. So I hope you watch us on another family video, and thank you for watching.